Hello everyone, this is Teacher Jeb and welcome to my channel. Kung isa kang Filipino aspiring teacher na gustong magtrabaho abroad, especially sa Thailand, then this video is for you. Sa video na ito, isi-share ko naman sa inyo ang experience ko as a foreign teacher celebrating Songkran, Thailand's most water festival, right in the heart of Bangkok. And honestly, hindi lang siya basta-basaan. It's culture, it's chaos, it's connection, and it's unforgettable. Alam mo yung feeling na akala mo alam mo na kung ano ang isang festival, pero pag na-experience mo na in real life, totally ibang level pala. So as a foreign teacher here in Thailand, naririnig ko na talaga yung Songkran even before it started. Of course, curious tayo kasi in my mind, okay, water festival, parang fun, pero ganun ba talaga ka-intense? Until, boom, we're here sa Silom Road ng Bangkok. The streets are full of people, locals, tourists, expats, at halo-halo na. So imagine walking under the heat of Bangkok tapos biglang bubuhusan ka ng sobrang lamig na tubig. Nakakashock pero nakakagising din. Ito na yata yung pinakamalaking street party na naranasan ko in my whole life with international crowd. Intense nga pala talaga kaya be ready. Dapat meron kang mga waterproof na pouch para sa iyong cellphone, cash, at iba pang mga valuable things na bawal mabasa. And please do yourself a favor. Do not ever bring your passport if you're planning to join the water fight. Just bring your water guns. Mas malaki, mas maganda. And don't worry about the water refill. Merong nakaabang sa gilid na nagbibenta ng mga malamig na tubig and you can buy 5 or 10 baht to refill your water gun. Mas mainam nga din pala na meron kang eye protection kasi sometimes natatamaan talaga yung mata. And may limitation nga pala yung water splashing, especially sa mga monks, police officers, and elderly. Kung gusto mo talaga ng intense na water fight, Silom Road yung pinakamalaking venue for that. Pwede ka ring mag-try sa Khao San Road, mas maliit siya but more on street party talaga. And we also have in Siam, Paragon, Central World at Icon Siam. Kung gusto mo ng organized at chill lang na basaan, which in our case, during day 1 ng Songkran Festival, we tried in Silom Road. Day 2, we tried in Khao San Road. And in day 3, we tried in Siam, Paragon. Nagsisimula ang mga water fights na ganito in the afternoon, starting 1 p.m. until the night na yan. And kung uuwi ka na ng iyong hotel, do not expect na hindi ka na mababasa kasi everywhere pwede kang basain and we cannot react to that. Basaan lang, walang personalan. If you want to experience this kind of fun dito sa Thailand, you have to be here on April 13, 14, and 15 kasi nga 3 days yung Songkran Festival. But beyond the fun and chaos, there's actually a deeper meaning to Songkran. This festival is about renewal. It marks the Thai New Year. Traditionally, people would pour water gently on elders' hands as a sign of respect and blessing. And I got to witness that too. I got to experience that in our school. Not everything is wild. There are quiet moments, temple visits, people offering prayers, families spending time together. As a foreign teacher, that party really hit me kasi it reminds you that behind all the fun, there's culture, there's tradition, and there's meaning. It made me appreciate Thailand even more, not just a place to work, but as a place with rich values and community. Songkran Festival became one of the most memorable experiences I've had as a teacher abroad. It's not just about playing with the water. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone. It's about embracing a culture that's not originally yours but welcoming you anyway. As a teacher, we often focus on lessons inside the classroom, but experiences like this, they teach you something deeper. They teach you how to connect, how to adapt, how to appreciate differences, and most importantly, how to just live in the moment. So if you ever get the chance to experience Songkran in Bangkok, especially as a foreign teacher, don't hold back. Yes, you'll get soaked. Yes, it's chaotic, but it's also one of the most genuine, joyful, and unforgettable celebrations you'll ever part of. From being nervous to getting completely drenched to laughing with strangers and students alike. Songkran reminded me that sometimes the best experiences happen when you simply let go and join the fun. So that's it. Kung may mga questions ka pa, feel free to ask and comment down below. At kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na ito, baka pwede namang makisuyo ng isang like and subscribe ka na din para updated sa mga latest videos. You can also suggest kung ano yung mga topic na gusto mong gawan ko ng video. Thank you so much for watching!